Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I wanted to come and give you a review of, yes, if you see over my left shoulder, the Instapot. I have not reviewed this thing in a while, so I am in my kitchen. Please forgive me what's on top of the refrigerator, but I wanted to come in do a review on the Instapot. I actually right now have some marinated chicken and some marinated chicken in the Instapot. So yes, so let's get started. So I bought this Instapot around November, December of last year, of end of last year, and ever since then, this has been my go-to thing. I I had my mom prior before she passed away had cut off my stove because she just didn't want me to use the stove. And I always have went out to my mom's house to cook. All right, since then, I started using this Instapot, and it's been my best friend. I have cooked everything in there from roast beef to ground beef and chicken. What else? Pork chops. Yes, I have did it all. So yes, so I wanted to come and I wanted to know that I'm going to show you some different things, rice products that I have used. And one of the rice products I actually do eat is quinoa. And I have two different versions, but I wanted to show you the version that I actually did well, it's just like this, but I don't have the name of it. It's in the so the one that I have used is the Simple Truth Organic Quinoa, 100% whole wheat, whole grain. So this is this one. Um, that's that one, but the one I'm looking for is, I'm thinking the name of it, Harvest. It's called a harvest. You kind of hear it in the background. And one of the things is I love cooking in the Instant Pot. Now, yesterday I cooked for the first time is the Uncle Ben's long grain wild rice, the original recipe. And y'all, when I tell y'all this, that took was the best thing. I mean, with the rice and quinoa, depends on what you're doing. They have a little chart you can go down of. Y'all, do y'all know I have my charts of what how to cook certain things and things taped up in my cabinet where I keep some of my pantry food. So yes, mommy is doing good. I actually like it. Um, it's just, let's see. Excuse me, y'all. I just love cooking in it. Like I'm saying, mine's is the Pioneer Woman Instapot. Um, I remember what I got it for. It wasn't on clearance, but it was reduced from $59 to about $49. Plus, I end up putting insurance. I'll end up putting a backup plan on it, so that was an extra $3. I end up paying about $56 for it. And I like, okay, I actually like it and stuff like that. And I got it from Walmart.com. And the last time I checked, they still do got these Instapots in Walmart. Check Walmart.com and when I say check Walmart.com and check in the store. But then sometimes when I just go and I browse on Amazon and Overstock, I actually do see them on there. I think on Overstock they're about $60 or $70, but when it comes to Amazon, I think they are under $50. I am not too sure, but check that. But like I'm saying, mine's is the Pioneer Woman. Um, It's the Pot by Ree Drummond. I mean, I like her show. So, yeah. But yes, I actually love this Instapot. So y'all, let me ask y'all. After my review, are y'all considering buying yourself the Pioneer Woman's Instapot? So until then, y'all, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe.